Welcome everybody to ATZ Car Garage. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Today we're going to be changing a thermostat on a 2000 Nissan Altima. It's this little baby right here. It's just going to be right down there. It's pretty easy. So let me grab my tools and then I'll get back to you guys. Got it jacked up. Got the wheel chock on the other side. Jacking it up because I'm trying to be as clean as possible because it is an apartment complex. So they're gonna be kinda strict on the mess, but we got this. So we're gonna do it. Empty it from the drain plug, which is underneath the radiator. We got all the tools. We're gonna start taking off this under splash panel. And then yeah, I might put you guys on my head eventually once I take this off, but I'll catch you guys after that. Actually, I will try to do a little bit of a tutorial. So under here, after you do once you look under here, there's going to be a couple 10mm bolts which hold on this splash. What the hell? Which hold on to this splash panel. After you take this off, you should be accessible to the drain plug, to the radiator. So we'll see it. So under here is just a couple of bolts. You want to disconnect this one right here, this one, this one. It's gonna be one right here, and then after that, this panel right here should just pop off. And right here, if you look, oops, don't flash. Access the radiator drain plug, and then we're gonna drain the radiator fluid. Antifreeze. Why did I say radiator fluid? Oh no. Please. Forgot to charge this light. I think that's why it keeps turning off. Okay, sorry. Just gonna let that drain out for right now, and I'm gonna answer this phone call. Now we're gonna replace the drain plug. Give me the bolts and then the tray. What? The 10mm bolts in the tray. Take engine light cords.
How'd you take it off?
I didn't take it off.
Want me to do it for you, bro? I'll be done in 20 seconds. You disconnect the battery?
Yeah.
Understand, Ricky? I hate those clamps. Alright, man.
Rookie.
What's up? If you need a light, I got 2 headlights to use up.
We should be good.
Alright, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, sorry, I'm not sitting there watching you guys. Just my wife's freaking out. They got the car up. Yeah, they got
Weird ass hose.
I hate this damn hose.
I'm in my damn truck, man.
So the way you had it before I even had it looked like your ass.
Hell no.
Yes.
My shit was never dirty like that. My shit was always shiny. You see the combs all the time.
Funny. This thing.
Okay, baby, you gonna come back to daddy soon. Just let the youngster have some fun with it. Youngsters. This thing. For that fucking primer wears off. Can't keep primer too long.
I know, but you a rookie.
Hmm?
I said I know, but you a rookie.
You have to take off what to get to the thermostat? It's just this. Oh, it's the bottom hose. I already replaced all the tail lights too on the Toyota yesterday. Went to Bixpo. I like those fucking cars. You know, all I had to do was disconnect one wire and all the bulbs come out as one. And I just took it out of the junkyard and just connected. Now all of them work. Even the third light worked.
That's crazy.
Motherfucker bright as hell.
Oh, what, the Toyota?
Yeah. This one works too. This one had 2 lights out in the back. The third light and one of the brake lights. Damn, bro, I would have had it out already. What's up? You need
Yeah, I'm
help?
taking this thing off because it's seized on there.
Take the wood off.
Like I'm trying to get it loose because it's in a really weird position.
Just let me know when you want help, bro. I'll have this shit done quick. D16 motor.
Top shot. Top shot.
Let's do it. Friday, no?
We'll see.
Go and pick that fucking car up and not fucking, man. You know what that guy is, how he is?
Oh shit.
What happened? Dripping?
Just a little bit.
You see that? No, I'll tell you what's wrong with it. See how it works, look. Like a spring.
I know.
I'm not gonna lie, every time I look at thermostats, you know what they remind me of? They just look like something like alien shit. I don't know. Don't it look like alien stuff?
Yeah.
Can you put my sleeve up too?
I got coolant all over my hands.
You put my sleeve up. Nice.
Right there's the thermostat. Just need to clean it off real quick.
Sir.
Pop it back in.
Sir. My name is Ricky. We mobile mechanics, baby. Hit us up anywhere from the Bay
Down to LA.
down to LA,
Nah,
San
I just
Diego,
find that LA too far.
San Jose.
Soon,
Do
maybe.
you do San Jose?
San Jose, yeah.
You go to San Jose? Nobody call you though in San Jose.
Not yet, but I'll go down there. Got the thermostat housing off, got it all cleaned up. All that down there. Just need to put some of the silicone on this. And we'll be all set.
Stay tuned, baby. Hey, look at me. Professional. Try with that shit, man. Don't put too much though. Where's the old gasket?
That one's right here.
You should put the silicone and put this one back.
I'm not putting the oil gasket back on. This one's all caked up and stuff.
What's caked up?
My mom's caked. Look, no.
What do you mean by that?
Hold on, bro. You're a little weird.
Hold
for
on,
that.
hold
You're
on, hold
weird
on.
for that. I got you on camera too. How? Hold on, bro. How? Nasty motherfucker.
Fuck.
You gotta spit in it a little bit. Damn, that shit's strong. Smell that motherfucker. Crazy.
That's good.
You're gonna have to. It's gonna fall out if I.
Is it in there properly?
Yeah, it doesn't go in there like that. It has a gasket around there. I told you. Did you see how the old one don't have a gasket around it? That's why I'm telling you this shit isn't gonna leak. But I mean, you could put that, but don't put no more. That's a lot.
That's good?
Yeah.
Alright, put them.
Here. That shit stinks.
Oh, my mom never does.
God damn.
Hold it. This side goes in, right?
Yeah, cause this shit didn't have a gasket around it. That's what I'm telling you. You didn't need to use that. But I mean, that's alright. Rookies will be rookies.
We need to do it professional.
Rookies will be rookies.
Professional.
Hurry up and tie that shit so it can dry and seal properly, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fucking tired of you. Fucking slow ass workers. I'm not tired of missing two people. Hurry up.
You shut the hell up.
Come on, bro. I'd have been done with this shit already, man. Thermostat. I'd have been done in 5 minutes. I hope that silicone is fucking dry already. Hey, so what's up? When we gonna go pick up that fucking 65 Chevy, man? Huh?
Yeah.
My favorite part, bleeding it. Bleeding the coolant. It's amazing. It's an amazing machine. See, you know, I always like never knew how to bleed, you know, 'cause it just looked like very like hard, you know what I mean? Like, cause I didn't have this, I didn't know they make this tool for it. I wanna bleed the Honda.
Coolant?
Yeah, but I have to get a reservoir. I still don't have one, and it's little by little it leaks. I'm gonna put a soda bottle up in there. Make my own customized reservoir. You know you can do that, right?
Mm-hmm. Got the thermostat put back together. Gonna put coolant in it now.
Let me help there, buddy. That shit is green as hell.
Is this concentrate? No, it's 50-50.
That shit did not look like the other Epicures down there. I ain't gonna let it look like a, what you call look like green apple right there. Sour green apple juice. That shit is.
Yes, it does.
No, that right there is not the same color as this shit.
He put water in it. Pay attention to the bottom, make sure it's not leaking on the bottom.
No. Draw. Draw like a. Yes, I don't know if you missed a spill or not, but I think it leaked a little bit. She just put the rubber thing like how we always do it. Fuck the cap. Just find one of the rubbers that are small enough to fit.
There's one of them that has no rubber, and I'm pretty sure that is the one that fits.
Your camera turned off.
No, it's still good.
Careful, don't break the radiator.
This radiator is already broken. He said he JB welded it.
Test.
Do not. Well, yeah. This shit's hella green.
You sure it says Nissan on here?
I got it for.
Oh, it says Asian. Never mind.
All right, go start the car.
I ain't never seen this color coolant before.
Oh, that's really green. Give me the light.
I told you it's not like that one down there. That one is like lime.
That one's like.
That one is like highlighter.
Maybe it is the same one, but it's just.
I don't think so.
Dry it on my feet.
Looking pretty dry to me.
You gotta wait till it opens though. Alright, we'll get back to you whenever it's done building. So we just got done finishing up. We finished up the thermostat, no leaks, everything was good. But as we were burping it, that red light does not do justice. But as we were burping it, we encountered another problem, not due to our fault, but due to the customer JB welding the radiator. And it started squirting out everywhere as we were burping it. And we had to hurry up and finish getting up out of there because one of the customers' neighbors was getting mad because they're in an apartment complex and apparently we were in their spot. So we hurried up, got out of there so we didn't cause them more problems. But it was just going everywhere. Like as soon as the car heated up, it just started spraying out a little bit. Then it just turned into a crap ton of smoke and antifreeze going everywhere. But yeah, we'll see if he wants us to replace the radiator. It didn't seem like he wanted to put any more money into the car because he said he wanted to get a new one, but we'll see because that car is not drivable at all. It was pretty bad. He had said the thermostat had gotten stuck closed and caused a lot of overheating, but I don't know if that was the problem or not. But it was a job well done. Customer's happy, and we didn't have another job for today, so that'll be it. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.